You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to send money from bank to Cash App. Watch the video to the very end, should you make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because that actually helps me out. So let's start with the steps on how to send money from bank to Cash App. So the first step is to link your bank account to Cash App. So open your Cash App and log into your account, then tap on your profile icon, which is at the top right, then select linked bank. From there, tap link bank, then enter your bank details or link using your debit card. And here's another method, which is step 2, to hand money from bank to Cash App. So open your Cash App and go to the balance tab. Then from there, tap on add cash and enter the amount, then select your bank account as the funding source, then confirm the transfer with Face ID or Touch ID, even PIN. And that's how you can simply send money from your bank to Cash App. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.